If you're a safety professional, gas detection is an important part of your safety program. Managing your detectors is critical, but maintaining compliance across your fleet is a constant challenge, especially when archaic tracking and controls generate piles of paperwork and inefficiencies. With the Grid Fleet Manager service, you consolidate and streamline all your gas detection-related activities in one place, eliminating distractions and being able to focus on your larger safety goals. Managing your fleet compliance. Proactively manage your fleet of portable gas detectors and make sure your workers are protected by instruments that are working properly. Monitor and track equipment compliance and service instruments that have failed bump and calibration tests. Identify instruments producing end-of-sensor life warnings and deactivate them for further service and maintenance. Determine warranty status of the sensor without having the device at hand. Proactively monitor and replenish empty calibration gas. Automate it through email notifications. Avoiding equipment downtime has never been easier. Managing worker compliance. Drive accountability for the protective equipment by creating custom labels. Assign services to a department, worker, and location. Gain valuable insight into worker behaviors. Understand if workers are acknowledging alarms according to best practices or simply turning the devices off. Be aware of workers who are choosing to stay in hazardous environments despite alarms sounding. Identify which workers are not following the standard operating procedures and retrain them. Make a detailed risk assessment. Get a first-hand look at gas readings, the ones that cause alarms and the ones that are below the alarm levels, understanding the root cause of incidents and initiating preventative measures. Investigate the alarm history of a specific detector. Have instant access to all the historical data that's been gathered by each device. Build a safety-first culture. How does it work? Each day starts with a fleet status email that makes you aware of any overdue calibrations, end-of-sensor life concerns, calibration gas issues, or test bank issues. Even if you skip the status email, your Grid Fleet Manager dashboard helps you focus your attention where it's needed most. From there, you can effortlessly filter and share reports and other equipment information based on date, detector serial number, worker, department, location, and more. With a proactive approach and preparedness, you can increase compliance, minimize interruptions, and finally focus on and achieve your larger safety goals while being supported by world-class MSA safety equipment.